Hi everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And first of all, I would like to wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. So as a Christmas gift, my parents had got me my first ever Boeing 757 freighter. In fact, this is my first ever Boeing 757 in my plane collection. So today I'll be unboxing DHL Boeing 757F. So as you can see, the box just says DHL and there are no specifications at the back. So I'll just directly go over to the aircraft. Just bring it down. On this side here. And over on the foam, nicely packed actually. Oh, there it is. It looks so nice. I just love that bright yellow color on the aircraft. You know, in fact, there's not a single scratch on it. I'll just bring the aircraft down. Okay, here you go guys. And also I forgot to mention, this is my first ever DHL aircraft in my plane collection. So I'll just go over it. So you have the front cockpit, first door, DHL. See the large door over here. Generally speaking, all the cargo aircrafts have this one. In fact, on my 777 freighter, this door is at the back. In this case, it's in the front. Then you got the engines, which don't spin though. The wings, nicely detailed. Same thing down. You got the same design over. The registration G-BIKM. The last door, you got DHL on the tail and the stabilizers, which is also detailed. The back and same on this side. However, you got a cargo door, a small one down, not a big one like this side, which is this one. And down, it's colored in red, similar to my Air India Boeing 747. However, this one is a different shade. And as you can see, there's a screw already placed here, which means we have to screw the stand to the aircraft. And just take this out. Well, so far guys, I really like this model. It looks amazing. I recommend you guys to buy this one. Okay, and last but not least, the stand and the base. So the stand is made of plastic. So I'll just place the aircraft on the stand. Even on the stand, you got some stickers over here. And there you go. I'll just move this, keep the box aside. Well, there it is, guys. Our very own Boeing 757 freighter DHL. Looks pretty nice, right? I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget to give this a like, do subscribe, and check out the links in the description below. Once again, everybody, I wish you all a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye.